So here we have an Asus ROG Strix G, which has a broken screen apparently. It doesn't work. And we're gonna replace it with a replacement screen. So, we first start off by removing the back cover of the laptop. So we can remove the battery. Now we remove the back cover shield. You grip from under and you remove it. Just like that. Be careful when lifting up the back cover because these two cables are here and we want to avoid damaging them. So for the battery removal procedure, we're gonna have to remove this small connector right here. The way to do it is by putting back this gray metal bracket and lifting up the battery connector, just like that. So now we have a removed battery and we can continue with our screen repair. We close it firmly so we can lift it up from the other side. And now we have the screen. For the screen now, you first need to remove this plastic bracket right here. Simple as that. Remove that. Carefully not to break it, so you can have access to the screen. Try not to break the connectors, as then it won't stick around. You will have to use glue. So once this is out, you get a better view at our screen. For the screen to be removed, it's pretty easy. You get a plastic plunger, like this. And you squeeze on top, just get out, just like that. And now you have the connect right here, which to remove, you need to remove the sticker on top and just get out. Again, just like that. We remove the old broken screen.